class 7. Today I am going to present a chapter 3 questions and I will explain this. First of all, the characters are hermit who lives in a wood, a certain king and a bearded man. Once a thought came to a certain king that what are the 3 questions most important for him? What is the answer for it? The 3 questions were, what is the most important thing for him to do, and what is the most important person for him, and what is the right time to do something. यानी कि एक राजा था जिसके ख्याल आया कि अगर उसे 3 क्वेश्चन का जवाब उत्तर मिल जाए तो वो जिंदगी में सफल हो जाएगा। वो 3 क्वेश्चन थे, कुछ शुरू करने का सही समय क्या है और कौन सबसे ज़्यादा उसके लिए महत्वपूर्ण है और क्या काम करना उसके लिए सबसे ज़्यादा महत्वपूर्ण है। So he sent his soldiers throughout the kingdom to seek for wise men and invite them for his counseling, in which they will come and find the answer for the 3 questions, and the one who will find the right answer will get a reward. It means that एक बार एक राजा ने काउंसलिंग बुलाई. Counseling means a group of people chosen to advise a king. So they were here to advise the king for the 3 questions. If someone will give the right answer, he will get a reward. Next thing, he thought that everyone's answers were different from each other, so he thought to give no one reward, and he thought to find answers from a certain hermit who lived in woods. Woods means a small forest. तो फिर राजा ने देखा कि सबके आंसर्स बहुत अलग थे, इसलिए उसने सोचा कि किसी को वो प्राइज नहीं देगा और वो एक हर्मिट की मदद लेगा. हर्मिट यानी कि a person who lived a simple life. Then the king decided to go to his home, who lives in a wood, a small forest. It means he went there in a simple cloth without his cart or anything. He went on a horse with a soldier, but he left him aside from the forest so that the hermit will think the king is a simple man and want to find some answers. यानी कि जो राजा था वो वहाँ पे गया, सिंपल कपड़े पहन के गया. वो अपने साथ एक घोड़ा और एक गार्ड लाए थे, लेकिन वो उसे लेकर नहीं गए. वो फॉरेस्ट के बाहर उन्हें छोड़ दिया. फॉरेस्ट के बाहर से छोड़ दिया ताकि हर्मिट को लगे कि वो एक सिंपल इंसान है और वो कुछ क्वेश्चंस का आंसर लेना है. Then he went to the hermit. The hermit was digging flower bed. Flower bed means a small patches of ground for flower or plants. Then the king saw that he is too tired, so he asked him 3 questions. That 3 questions were, what is the most important person for him, what is the most important work for him, and what is the right time for doing something. The hermit gave no reply, but the king saw that he is really tired, so he asked him to give his spade to him. The king dug the flower bed for 4 to 5 hours, but the hermit still gave no answer. The king said that if you don't want to answer, then tell me, I will go. Exactly at that time, hermit said, here comes someone running. यानी कि जब राजा उससे मिलने गया तो hermit जो है वो पेट डग कर रहा था अब पौधों के लिए, और उसने देखा, उसने पहले hermit से वो 3 क्वेश्चन पूछे. फिर उसने देखा कि वो बहुत थका हुआ है, तो उसने उससे अपनी कुल्हाड़ी मांगी और खोदना शुरू कर दिया. 4-5 घंटे बीत गए, लेकिन उस हर्मिट का कोई जवाब नहीं आया था. तो फिर किंग ने कहा कि अगर आपको जवाब नहीं देना है तो बता दीजिए, मैं चले जाता हूँ। तभी उसी समय हेरमिट ने कहा, हियर कम्स समवन रनिंग, यानी कि कोई दौड़ के आ रहा है। Then they both saw back. There was a bearded man running towards them. Its hands were pressed on his stomach. एक दाढ़ी वाला आदमी दौड़ के उनके पास आ रहा था और उसके हाथ उसके पेट पे दबे हुए थे। And when he reached there, he fell on the ground. And then the king saw that he had wound on his stomach. यानी कि जब वो दौड़ के आया तो राजा ने देखा कि उसके पेट में एक घाव है। तो राजा ने उस घाव को बढ़ना शुरू कर दिया। After finishing the wounding, the king went to sleep. The next day when he awoke, then he saw that the bearded man was asking him for forgiving him. The king said that there is nothing to forgive him. यानी कि राजा ने कहा कि उसको कुछ माफ करने के लिए नहीं है। राजा ने कहा कि उसे कुछ माफ करने के लिए नहीं है। और फिर उस bearded man ने कहा कि he said that he is his enemy who took a pledge that he will kill the king, and he made a plan to kill the king when he was going towards the home after meeting the hermit. But the king didn't want to the way from which he was going to the palace. So he came out of his hiding place. Then the king's guard saw him and wounded him. Then he came running towards him, and he said that he will work for him as a faithful servant. Please forgive me, he said, and he will say his sons to do the same. फिर राजा ने कहा कि मैंने तुम्हें माफ़ कर दिया है और तुम्हारी प्रॉपर्टी भी मैं वापस दे दूंगा जो मैंने तुमसे छीनी थी। मैंने तुम्हारे भाई को मारा था, जो तुम्हारी प्रॉपर्टी छीनी थी वो मैंने वापस कर दी है। तो फिर दोनों वापस चले जाते हैं। बट फिर किंग आस्क्ड द hermit the 3 questions again. The hermit said, you got the answer already. The king said, how? The hermit said, when you were digging the bed, that was your important work to do. You were doing it for me, so I was the most important person at that time. And the right time to do something is now, because we have the right time to act only now.